Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy delicious meals but don't have time to cook? Well, today we're gonna be talking about the multi-cooker BC-99210 with Bene Casa, a brand that's been in the market for 50 years, designed to inspire. Today we're gonna learn how to use this amazing multi-cooker for you to enjoy some delicious meals with your friends, with your family, and also conserving all the delicious flavors all in one. So before we get started, it's very important that you read the instructions and you follow the safety guidelines. It's super important to get to know your multi-cooker so you can be safe and also enjoy your amazing recipes. Great, so we're gonna start by removing the lid. Make sure it touches the water safe valve right here. We're gonna be removing it. Here's your manual. Also some accessories for you. There's a spoon for you to use. And there's also a measuring cup. And make sure you remove the inner pot because under there's a sheet. So make sure you remove this to avoid any injuries. We're gonna get to know our lid. Right here we have our release valve, our safety valve, our cooling handle, and also our safety locking pin. Also, it's very important to know that this is a self-locking lid. Once it's in and it clicks, it locks by itself so it can start cooking. Now we're gonna get to know the inside of our lid. You can see right here we have a helper knob. Make sure you lift it up. This right here is our sealing ring rack. And this is our silicone ring gasket. Make sure you can remove it and then place it correctly. Right here we have our anti-blocking shield. Make sure you lift it up. So to see through the hole so you have a clear ventilation, you want to go to the front of the lid and remove the safety handle. You will press clean with clean. There's two buttons right here. Press down and push up. And now if you lift it up, you can see that there is a clear ventilation. Now, in order to help you have it unclogged, fun tip, you can use a toothpick and push it through the back and also push it through the front. And to put it back in, you're just gonna push it down and you're gonna hear a click. Now we're gonna get to know the inside of our multi-cooker. Right here we have our cooling handles, also the inner pod that is also removable. And inside we have our heating plate and temperature sensor. And right here we have our control panel with all the different options. If you're gonna be cooking rice, chicken, or meat, with just one button, everything is ready to go. When cleaning the body of your multi-cooker, you never want to immerse it under water or put it directly to the dishwasher since it's electric. You want to use a wet paper towel and clean throughout to avoid an electric shock. Do not cook without your inner cooking. Today we're gonna be cooking chicken. Now every time you cook, you wanna make sure that the minimum liquid amount is 1.5 cups. And the maximum overall with liquids and foods is 2/3 of the whole cooking pot. Now we're gonna be placing our chicken inside our cooking pot, along with our spices. You can choose your favorite ones. The best thing about the multi-cooker, like I said before, is that all the flavors do conserve. Now we're gonna get our water. And remember, the best thing about the multi-cooker is that you can cook anything. You can cook rice, beans, meat, everything. And the best part is that everything is preset and ready for you. All you have to do is click the panel, one button, and that's it. Now, as we're putting our water, we want to make sure, like I said before, that the minimum is 1.5 cups. Now that we have everything inside our pot, we're gonna be grabbing our lid. We're gonna place it correctly, again, where the water conserver is. We're gonna make sure it clicks. We're gonna press chicken As you can see right here, there's lights that are blinking, and that is because the cooking pot is reaching its desired heating temperature so it can start cooking thoroughly. Once the countdown starts, that's when you know it's cooking. Once it starts cooking, never leave it unattended without the supervision of an adult near children or assisted living. I know that the multi-cooker, you can use it for everything, but it's very important that you do not use it for pressured cans, pressure fry, distill, sterilize medical equipment, or adding any thickeners. Also make sure that when you're cooking, you're not covering any of the valves. Now that we heard the beep, that means our cooking time is up. Now to release the steam, you can either let it go automatically, approximately it's gonna take 20 to 30 minutes, or you can do it manually with the revolving valve. Now you want to make sure that your face and your hands stay away from the multi-cooker in order to not have any major injuries. Make sure you use either a mitten or any type of protection that will help you avoid the steam getting in your body. So now we're just gonna grab it over here, move it to steam, and we're just gonna wait. Now that our chicken is cooked, let's go and check it out. You want to make sure that when you do lift the lid, it faces the total opposite direction so you can avoid any serious injuries. Wow. It's so easy to cook with Bene Casa. My name is Karen Ayash, and thank you so much for watching this video. Follow us on YouTube for more recipes. Also follow us on Instagram at Club Bene Casa, and for more information, follow us at benecasa.com. Until next time.